So gentlemen, in this particular section, we are going to understand the interface of LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Okay, how does it looks like? How do we use this one to navigate? Okay, so this is the logo, which is basically called the Campaign Manager. Okay, and this is the ID or the profile of my company page. Okay, and this is my ads account. Okay, now I am under Campaign Manager. If I want to go to my ads account, I click on this one and go to my ads account here. Okay, so account ID. Okay, if you want, I can edit my account details, manage access, giving access to other people, contact settings and all of the stuff. Okay, this symbol of bell, obviously in any website the symbol of bell is nothing but notification. Any notification that LinkedIn wants to convey with you, okay, you'll be seeing a notifications here. If you have one notification, there will be a number one showing along with the red notification. A number of notifications you have, that many number of name will be shown here. Okay, there is something like question mark, preferably help section. Whenever you want to get some support, how to export, how to check the campaign status, how to create a ticket for your support, whatever it is. Okay, so it comes under this one. Okay, so we have a profile. Okay, so managers, you can message your or manage your sponsored messaging content, business requests, whichever you have received. Okay, anything related to your profile. Okay, so simply click on your profile and try to understand how does your profile looks like. So when people come explore your profile information and the details, okay, they may get a kind of reputation, okay, that people can figure out, and they will connect with you. Okay, and they may encourage you to take your business to the next level by associating with them. Okay, so if you see, okay, I have two certificates uploaded here: Google search ad certificates and digital unlocked certificate. Okay, like this, whenever you complete a certificate, you can add it along with your uh, certifications with respect to LinkedIn. Okay, fundamentals of digital marketing issued in 2018, so that does has no expiration date and all this stuff. Okay, anyway, so show your credibility to other people, so when they need, they will hire you. Okay, so there is a different section, basically the campaign performance, which is going to give you the summary of different campaigns which we have. Okay, and website demo graphics. Okay, so the location, people. Okay, so whatever the people we are trying to create our audience, okay, we can create a separate audience. Okay, so your inside tag is installed and verified, so there is a verification code that is being done. Okay, create your first website audience to start collecting demographic data, which means it's nothing but the custom audience. In other languages, what we said, okay, custom audience, lifetime value customers, okay, lookalike audiences. Okay, so here we are going to create an audience of our own choice, so that those audience can be used in advertising in the future. Okay, or to get more insights about it. Okay, the details related to the accounts, for example, insights tag. Okay, LinkedIn is calling this one as an insights tag. Okay, but Facebook is calling it as Facebook pixel. Google is calling it as tracking code. Okay, now conversions, how many business conversions happened. Matched audiences means people who match your audience's requirements, people whom you have blocked. Okay, and all that stuff. So there is an option of generating leads by creating a lead form within LinkedIn itself. So that's the lead generation form. Okay, so this is basically the campaign performance, the first tab we have. And the right side corner is when you click on the create campaign option to run your advertisements. Okay, so whenever you select something here, there is a filter applied. Campaign groups, there is a filter applied. You click on this one, the filter is released. You click on this one, my ad account is also released. Okay, so whichever the thing which I select here, it is applied as a filter. Okay, it says no account selected. It says there are two total campaigns available, campaign groups available inside your content. 9 total campaigns available with 6 different advertisements. Okay, so the LinkedIn advertising platform is designed in such a way that it has an account and it has a different campaign groups and it has a campaign, and under the campaign it is an advertisement. The terminology is little different. The same structure of Google advertisement. You have Google Ads. Under Google Ads, you have a you have Google Ads account. Under Google Ads account, okay, you have campaigns. Each campaign is created with ad sets. Each ad groups, actually, ad groups. Each ad group is created with advertisements. When it comes to Facebook, you have a Facebook account ID, okay, and you have a Facebook campaign section, and under the campaigns you have ad sets, and each ad sets will have a advertisement or an ad. Okay, when it comes to Twitter, you will have a Twitter account, you will have a campaign, okay, and under the Twitter you will be having something like ad group. Again with Twitter it is ad group, okay, and the advertisement is termed as creative. Okay, Twitter calls your advertisement as creative. Okay, but here the terminology is accounts, campaigns, I mean campaign groups, then it comes with campaign and the ads. Okay, so if you look into this one, you simply have to go out and click on a create a campaign group, checking the performance chart and the demographics report. Okay, you can also apply the filter by looking at this one. Select only the active campaigns, so that you'll be seeing campaign which is active. Look at the status here. Okay, now you simply click on this one to clear or deselect it. So look at the different columns that you see here: delivery, performance, engagement, sponsored messaging. So different types you can select and view this data, and view this report individually on conversions basis, or network basis, or how you actually show your images like a single image or a cursor images and all the stuff. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory in nature. Okay, you can see the time range. Okay, the data that you want to see for which time range. Okay, it is defined with the today. Today means like whatever has happened from today's time zone. Okay, from on this day, for example 22nd of January. Okay, now yesterday. Okay, so there are different options. You can see the report yesterday. Hope you understand. When you are checking a report of yesterday, you don't see your current day performance included. Okay, when you click on last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, or this month, last month, or this quarter, none of this section includes your today's performance. Okay, whatever the performance that has happened today will be shown only under today's section. No other section will include today's performance. Okay, last 7 days data will show you the data of last 7 days that excludes today. Okay, the same thing goes to other options. Okay, last 30 days means, remember, last 30 days means is like it's not a data of last 1 month. Last 1 month in sense like that month is over from the 30th or 31st of the previous month. So last month means different. Last month means like, let me say this is January month, last month means it's a December month. Okay, now when you say this month, which means January, from January 1 to 22nd. Okay, and it says like last 90 days, last 30 days, last month, this quarter, something like that. Okay, so this quarter means basically, okay, each quarter will have, I think, 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so that three different quarters we have, or four different quarters, it depends. Okay, so quarter is basically four, I believe. Okay, so automatically, okay, 4 months in a month in a row. Okay, so you can show this data here. Okay, last quarter throughout your lifetime, all time data you can see, and you can also customize it. Okay, so the calendar is really an important tool that needs to be used. Okay, if you are referring to a wrong date, we will end up seeing a wrong data. When we see a wrong data, obviously the insights are going to be wrong. Okay, so basically about the small interface which we have. Okay, so if you want to create advertisement, we will have to click on create campaign. Okay, and we have different data being displayed here. Okay, so select a campaign group. So we will be selecting a campaign group from the existing one. So default campaign group is there, that is active, or you can create a new campaign group and use a different group. Okay, so we'll be discussing about the objective selection, which means selecting a goal, audiences, ad format, placements, and all the stuff in the upcoming sessions to come. So what we are doing right now is trying to understand the interface of LinkedIn advertisement, basically the LinkedIn's campaign manager.